In this video, we show you how easily you can use the program on Windows, thanks to the cloud. Insert the account credentials you have previously created from the app. Select the correct database. You are about to enter the database on Windows desktop. First, synchronize to work with updated data in real time. You are ready to create the technicians team. Tap on the options icon, down on the left, and add a new cloud user. You select the technician category and save. The new user will receive an email of invitation of granted access to the program. Tap on the Technician section on the left to create the full technician sheet, then save. You can create the customer and its complete registry. Then you insert the plants and equipments, and associate them to the customer. Proceed to create the new work report. You can arrange the program's columns and customize the values to see. Each user can have its sorting. Then select the client and plant, where the intervention will take place, and assign technicians. Save and move to the Detail tab. In the Work Report, you find plants details, field note, and signature for acceptance. From the Action button, you can duplicate, store, and print Work Report. You can also export it in PDF and send it via email to the customer. From the app, technician log in with its credentials, select the database and synchronize to work with updated data. Technician finds all interventions assigned to him, and he sees them also in the calendar. Technicians complete the work report and collect the signature at customer premises. This way technicians will find the planned intervention for the expected day and starting hour. Keep working with your cloud trial on 5 operational systems, and good job.